front of me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then select Open under Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and finally click on a password you wish to check. Enter your current login method and tap on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!